Who's craving a Filipino classic today? In this video, I'll show you how to cook afritada, a hearty, flavorful dish made with tender chicken, potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers, simmered in a rich tomato sauce. A true Pinoy comfort food that's perfect to the family meals.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we show.
Hey everyone! Ayan na po. This is the food that I cook and I make it a shortcut. So I'm waiting for the chicken afritada to be well done.
Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy
Don't joke
As
around.
the chicken and vegetables simmer together, the flavors become rich and
What? You
savory.
can cure him?
This is what
Old master,
makes
young
the
master,
chicken
second young
afritada
master
a
is here.
Filipino favorite.
Didn't you move
It's
out?
simple,
Why are you
budget
back? This is the
friendly,
Greaves family
and
ancestral
guaranteed
home.
to bring
Besides, you
warmth
finally woke up.
to
I
your
certainly have to come
dining
and see. I heard you
table.
got married.
wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side.
Chicken Afritada.
Chicken afritada is a classic Filipino dish. A tomato-based stew featuring chicken and various vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers. It's known for its savory flavor and is commonly served with rice. The name afritada is derived from the Spanish word fritada, meaning fried, reflecting the dish preparation process where chicken is often seared before simmering.
Solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. In this crazy life we live, We all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold.
If
Through
you're
all the
craving
ups
for
and
this
downs,
dish,
the
then try
highs and
it on
lows
your
we
own,
share. We'll
and you
stick
will be
together,
amazed
ride or die.
the
Let's
taste
show we
of
really
this
care.
Filipino dish, chicken
Through thick
afritada.
and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our color.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evan Alira here is signing off.